Did you know that despite being almost 30-year-old, Java remains one of the top 3 programming languages in the world? But here's the real question. Are you familiar with the cutting-edge Java features that top companies are looking for in 2025? Stay tuned to find out. Hey guys, today we are diving deep into the most powerful Java language features you absolutely need to master this year. Whether you are building enterprise applications, working with big data, or developing cloud native solutions, these features will transform how you write code. Let's explore the top Java features you need to master in 2025. First, pattern matching for switch. This is old way of checking instances and take the decision. Let's use pattern matching in switch and done. Look how clean it has become. Second, Java records. Perfect for immutable data carriers. Earlier, we used to write so much boilerplate code like getters, setters, equals, hash code, etc. Now, no need to write those and even no need of Lombok. Just define like this and done. Much cleaner, right? Third, text blocks. Say goodbye to string concatenation nightmares. This is how you would do it earlier, but now, this neat and clean. Last, sealed classes, for which you can watch my other video on sealed class. Link is in the description. And the absolute game changer that will redefine how you approach Java programming in 2025 is the virtual threads feature. I will create separate video for that. Which of these features are you most excited to implement in your next project? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more cutting edge Java content.